Hi everyone, Julie from Live for Art here, and I'm playing with pearl pours. So I'm going to now do the classic metallic one with the extreme sheen. So I've got the pink tourmaline, the 24K gold, and the amethyst and the sterling silver. So they're my metallics, and I'm using the Artist Loft flow acrylic. So all of them are mixed with Floetrol and a bit of water and a touch of GAC 800 or the golden colour pouring medium gloss. Same thing, I believe. And the black is thinner than the other colours. Too far down the cup probably for you to tell quite the consistency. That leaves a little mound, and the black, which is always hard to see on camera, isn't really leaving a mound at all, it's just going straight in. So I'm going to pour into the centre and then pour the black on top. I'm just planning to come out of a bit of a distance. So there's less distance to travel. So we want to put enough of the coloured paint on to be able to reach the sides when we stretch it. Of course it's going to have the black over it as well, and sometimes it's actually hard to see how far it's gone to the edge, as I found out in my last pour. I think that's going to do it. Make sure these are out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to put the black on. This is always not wanting to go down and stay, I want it to spread over, so it's a little hard to do that. I'm just going to throw some on. And then that black's going to roll over the rest of the colours that are there. And obviously got to do this quickly, I'll just better go to the edge now. Hope that I've got the colour to the edge. Back to the centre and off to the side, and then back down to this end where it's already making lovely cells, and I'm just going to have to muck those up to get over the edge. I'm just going to let that drain off a fair bit there, there's probably more than I need, and then I'm going to come back, come back to the centre with that paint. I lost my cup. Okay, this is going to be great, I think. I think some of those little squiff cells on the edge will all just get bigger and merge into each other anyway, so I'm just going to let that sit there for a bit.